Drive from made in China to create by China. Prioritize quality over speed and promote brands from China over Chinese products. The manufacturing industry is fundamental to social development. It mirrors the comprehensive strength and international competitiveness of a nation. Manufacturers bear responsibility for national rejuvenation. Yahua Intelligent Systems Company Limited is a leading company dedicated to independent research and development of conveying systems and conveyor components. Yahua is devoted to make its clients' job easier and more productive. Keeps up with the times. Insight into technical innovation. Yahua, leader of the conveying industry, continuously explore the future infinite possibility. Yahua owns a high-quality team of nearly 200 employees, including more than 30% of professional and technical staff, with strong research and development and production teams. Yahua has established a comprehensive research and development, production and service loop, and has been certified as a high-tech enterprise for many consecutive years, applying more than 50 patents and certified with ISO 9001 standard. Currently, we have more than 1,300 sets of manufacturing molds and more than 100 mechanical equipment such as CNC and injection molding machines. To serve its development needs, Yahua introduced internationally advanced ERP, WMS, and PLM software. Thanks to advanced management software systems, the company successfully achieved intelligent and standardized production. Manufacturing enterprises' desire for smart, multifunctional and modular conveyor systems encourages Yahua focuses to fulfill the demands. Yahua, adhering to the continuous research and development to meet market demand concept, Yahua follows the development trends of the conveyor industry. We aim for advanced conveying technology and upgrade the conveyor industry to facilitate the development of manufacturing enterprises. By virtue of research and development and advanced manufacturing equipment, Yahua developed industry-leading flexible conveyor systems and spiral conveyor systems that are widely used in food, beverage, pharmaceuticals, packaging, household chemicals, tobacco, automotive, and other industries. Our products are exported to the US, the UK, Russia, Japan, and other countries, and are favored by international customers.
我们的雅娃未来将是个高科技化的、一个服务个性化的、一个国际化的雅娃。我们企业的愿景：质量为企业之生命，技术为企业之灵魂，诚信为企业之人格。
Make conveying easier. Transport power for your development. Yahua.